Okay, let's talk about solute, solvent, and solution. Let's define these three terms. Solutions equal to solute plus solvent. Solvent is a universal solvent like water. The term always we can eliminate from science, always, usually. So solvent usually present in the greatest amounts. And a solvent, that's the problem, right? So solvent, water, usually it's water, present in the greatest amount. And the solute, substance that dissolve in a solvent. So let's make it to understand, to memorize that easier, because we're going to be using this terminology left and right. So I like to use analogies. So my analogy is, let's look at the solution, right? Yield, plus and plus, yield. Solution is the final product. So let's say you have a pot and you try to make a soup. So your soup, right? Soup. That's your solution. It's a crude example, but it's very easily to visualize and remember, especially during a test. So the solution is that final product, soup. Now, you have a solvent and present in the greatest amounts, that's water, right? Universal solvent. And then, right, H2O, and then solute. What is a solute? It says that a solute, substance that dissolves in a solvent. So it could be a reactant, it could be particle, it could be something that enters reaction. So in this case, solute, again, just for visualization, so it's easier to remember that. Let's say it could be your vegetables, and this is a vegetable soup. So the solute, you put broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, potatoes, carrots, whatever. By adding solutes into the solvent, you end up with a solution. And that's how it's easier to remember this concept. So the solute is anything that enters a reaction, it's a reactant, and it's usually presented in smaller amounts, and it dissolved in a solvent, in a universal solvent, which is water. And the solution is your final product. True solutions are usually transparent, Solute, solvent, universal. You forget which one is which. Universal solvent. Try to rhyme that and it would be easier to remember. So that's this topic. And by the way, solutions are homogeneous mixtures. Means that particles are evenly distributed throughout the solution. Homogeneous. Meaning that when you look at this, you're not able to tell them apart. Let's say sugar with water melts. Salt melts. The melting is also kind of a crude example here. Doesn't really melt, it separates, but example, gas solutions, right? You're not making, you're not breaking down molecular structure. Salt solution, sugar solution, you're not really breaking down those chemical bonds. Most solutions in the body are true solutions of gases, liquids, or solid dissolves in water. And the true solution is usually transparent if we're talking about the body system.